What's up, it's Joe with OCDetailing, and I have a Tesla Model 3 next to me that unfortunately had a bike run into it. Upon getting hit with a bike, the kid left a giant scratch in the side of the car. But luckily, 2 years ago, we put a full paint protection film install on this car. So, what do you know? This film saved the paint. This would have been an expensive trip to the body shop, repainting that door and that door, but instead it's going to get dropped off here for the day. We're going to replace this piece of film and give the car a detail while it's here, because I don't think he's washed it for a while.
Wow, it's magic. That's cool.
Huh?
You saw it and you were like, oh yeah, film saved it?
Film saved it. Yeah, I knew right away. Paint protection film from OCDetailing. 1, kid with bicycle, 0. We win.